Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pre-workout oats. Eating the right fuel before your workout is crucial for maximizing performance and recovery. Pre-workout oats offer a fantastic blend of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy without the heavy feeling. They are also incredibly versatile, allowing you to tailor them to your specific dietary needs and taste preferences. Let's dive into the simple steps to create your perfect pre-workout meal. To start, you'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, not instant, for the best texture and sustained energy release. Next, choose your liquid. 1 cup of water, milk, or a plant-based alternative works well. For an extra protein boost, consider adding 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. This combination forms the base of a powerful pre-workout meal, ensuring you get the necessary fuel for your training session. Remember, quality ingredients make a difference. Now, let's talk about customizing your oats to elevate both flavor and function. Adding fruits like a sliced banana or a handful of berries provides natural sugars for quick energy and essential vitamins. For healthy fats and sustained fullness, stir in a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or a small amount of almond butter. You can even include a dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract for extra taste. These additions make your oats truly your own. Timing is key for optimal performance. Aim to consume your pre-workout oats approximately 60 to 90 minutes before your workout to allow for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. If you're short on time, overnight oats are a fantastic solution. Simply combine ingredients the night before and refrigerate. Adjust the liquid amount to achieve your preferred consistency, whether you like them thick or a bit runnier. Enjoy your energized workout.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.